Hey guys, Tank here. I went to my local hobby store, Great Hobbies here in Ottawa, and I came and I went and picked up a Losi Rock Ray. This thing is a blast to have fun on the trail, on the rocks, construction yard. I went with John from Net Cruiser RC and we had some fun. I also went to the back of the house here and had some fun. This is a fun rock ray, ready to run with AVC, and it's a cool little truck. It does come with a ready to run. It's 2800 kV motor. It comes with a built-in light bar. Like I said, AVC. It's a lot of fun. And support your local hobbies, guys. This is where I picked it up at Great Hobbies here in Ottawa. Anyways, I talk too much, and I just wanted to show you some action shot that I took while I was out back on my trails doing Sandy Hill and a couple of other spots. It was a lot of fun. This thing is not a rock crawler. It is a rock racer, and it is a blast to have fun with. Thanks, guys. Okay, this is the first time running the Rock Ray. It's too wide to fit in the top of my barn to take the rails, but I should actually, oh yeah, it's got a good low end torque, but it's too big to fit in my door. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun in the trails. I am gonna go out and have some fun more with this thing. It's running on 3S with the 1.5 battery, the 5000 milliamp, and it is an awesome truck to have fun with. Please like, comment, and share this video, and we'll talk to you later. And don't forget, keep those batteries charged and go out there and have some fun. Cheers.